Photoshop, new generative fill, the beta program. We're going to find out how to remove a background. Let's go ahead and double click the layer there and make it a 0 layer. Just call it layer 1. Call it background. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy that layer by dragging it down to the plus sign. Let's change it here. Foreground. Call it foreground. Okay. Now we're going to start out with the foreground. So that means that we're going to remove the background from the top layer, which is this guy right here. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and click remove background. And it should just remove the background pretty easily. Okay, there's still a little residue left. So let's go ahead and use our eraser tool, magic tool, right clicking on the magic tool, the eraser tool there, gives us this drop down. Go ahead and use that. Go ahead and click the actual layer. Go ahead and get rid of that stuff. Done. It's got a little bit here, but that's okay. It's going to be part of the background. Okay. So now that we've removed the background, we have this person out here singularly. Let's go ahead and close them out. Open up the background layer again. Now what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and have Generative AI or Photoshop remove this person from the image. The way we do that is by taking the lasso tool, dragging it all the way around the person till it connects. Then go to Generative and just say remove from background. Okay, then go ahead and hit generate. And that just took a few seconds to do. Okay, you have a few options here, but I kind of like this middle one here. And I like that one too. Actually, I like all three of them, which is okay. Let's go ahead and close that out. Let's go ahead and open the top layer. Now we have this person sitting here with a removable background layer. All right. This animated in the next one. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.